Hi there, I'm Steven Blakey. I'm a Church of Scotland minister from Glen Isla and the Isla parishes. For a number of years now, I've been really badly deaf in my left ear. In fact, it was so bad that one of the times when I had an army medical, they thought the audiogram was broken because the right headphone worked, but the left headphone just wasn't functioning. So anyway, I've lived with this and just assumed I would have it forever. And then yesterday, so on Tuesday, I went for a prophetic session with Glasgow Prophetic Centre, and three of their prophets prophesied over me. But when we started off, I explained to the lady on my left that she'd have to shout so I could hear her. And she said, "Why is that?" I said, "Because I'm deaf in my left ear." And said, "Oh, we'll pray for you." So towards the end of the time of prophecy, they anointed my hands with oil for healing, and they got me to put my hand on my ear. And they prayed for healing, and I prayed for healing, and I was instantaneously healed, which is amazing. And I've been walking about all day with my mobile phone with Kevin Prosh on it, listening to the volume in this ear and the volume in that ear. And if you see me with my finger in my right ear, it's making sure it's still working. So God is amazing, and I didn't ask, but out of His graciousness and His love, and I'm blown away, and it's so good to be here.